Hey and welcome to my Trendio review. It's Nico here, and in this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Trendio is brought to you by Dr. Amit Parikh, also the creator of Web Primo, Kaiza, Coursova, Agenices, Videos, MaxFunnels, and many other high-quality software products. In this video, I am gonna tell you everything you need to know about Trendio Software. What exactly it is, pricing, bonuses, and how it will help you in your business. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. And this is coming up. First of all, what is Trendio? Trendio is a cloud-based software that allows you to create self-updating websites, filled with content and videos automatically from websites and videos all over the internet. So, let me tell you a little bit about my opinion Trendio software. Does it really work? Now, the idea behind Trendio is to create these websites automatically, mostly in the news niche and trending topics, so you can monetize them with affiliate offers or Google AdSense. We all know how big these news websites are and how millions of people are visiting such websites. But you can also create website in any niche. It's a website builder after all, and it's easy to use. And as it's self-updating, you only have to set up a website once and it will run on autopilot. So, you create your website, obviously as any other website builder, you can customize absolutely everything on your website, and I mean everything. After that, you can add articles and videos that you curate from other sources. They will give you the best sources from where to curate content, and will be added automatically to your website. It's all legal, as in your article will automatically add the credit from where the content is curated. You can make further edits if you want to change the article or rewrite it, as they have a built-in article rewriter. Now, the automation is the best part, as you can create campaigns for articles and videos to be added automatically to your website. And all you have to do is to set up a campaign based on your keyword, and articles and videos will be automatically added to your website from these news websites that they will give you. And you can also set the number of posts you want to add each day, and also for how long this campaign should last. So, let me tell you a little bit about the pros and cons for Trendio software. Now, listen for the pros. You can just set and forget system with single keyword. It's legally use others' trending content to generate automated profits. Integration with major platforms. It's also create beautiful, traffic-pulling sites with trendy content and videos in 3 simple steps. It's drive trendy content and videos from top authority platforms. Now let me tell you my Trendio overview. Lately we all have been into this digital marketing stuff. We all have experienced the power of content, video, viral stuff going immensely popular on social platforms. Did you actually thought of what takes into making them viral? It's giving users, followers, the stuff they want. Yes, internet users want bit-sized, stackable content. And most of us are in haste to create new content. Creating viral content is not easy. It requires writing skills, finding the Vera stuff, adding graphics, video clips, and sharing. So, wake up and pay attention to this. You can harness the power of viral content with content curation technology and share it with your lists, subscribers, and push your offers along with it. You are curating the hottest trends, content plus video, and now adding your affiliate links inside. You share them to your users. Simple, viral stuff spreads like fire. You have the maximum reach, and all this can be achieved with Trendio. Grab your Trendio license now, completely risk-free. Your investment is covered by the no-hassle, money-back guarantee. I hope you find my Trendio review helpful. If this is a product that you're interested in picking up, then click the first link in description below and get Trendio with my free bonuses. If you purchase from the link in the description box, I'm going to provide you with a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram, send the screenshot of your purchase, and I will send you the bonus. Thank you so much for watching my Trendio review. I'll catch you up in my next review video. Bye for now.